Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cocktail sets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Mixologist World Cocktail Bartender Shaker Set Boston Tin, Stainless Steel Martini Kit. You'll grow fond of this Mixologist World Cocktail Set. It's a complete 3-piece stainless steel set that comes with 700 ml tin shaker that serves up to 3 drinks at a time. It carries an inbuilt strainer lid that will gently polish your drink after you are done mixing. The cocktail recipe book will be a must-have in mastering your art as it contains all the illustrations you will need in carving the perfect drink for your guests. It is very convenient, with simple operations, any beginner or professional will love it. Besides, it is very gorgeous, priced at only $19. Moving on at number 4, we have the 3-piece Martini Barware Styles Elegant, Classic, Stainless Steel Cocktail Shaker Set. You will be intrigued by how useful this cocktail set is. Made of high-grade 18/8 stainless steel, it is rust-free and will forever maintain the quality of the drinks you make. Bearing a 24 Oz shaker, you will make multiple drinks for you and your friends. The cork has small holes that will not pass out ice cubes when you are done mixing your drinks. It performs well with vodka, tequila, non-alcoholic drinks and will add an elegant aftertaste to your drinks. Since it has eliminated toxins and harmful chemicals, this cocktail set is dishwasher safe, built to last and will be worth every penny. Your guests will leave refreshed. At number 3, we have the SilverGrade Barware Tools Professional Cocktail Shaker Set. Here's an elegant, complete bundle home or away bar accessory. If you are growing your skills in cocktail making or simply starting out a hobby, this SilverGrade Professional Cocktail Set is the way to go. Its shaker is 24 Oz with a secure lid and cap to ensure your drinks do not spill when you flip over to mix your drinks. It comes with a double-sized jigger to ensure you correctly measure your ingredients and make that perfect tequila you crave. This cocktail set is versatile and will significantly improve your style in the way you take and serve the cocktail. It is rust-free, durable and comes with a velvet bag for carrying your barware with you anywhere. At number 2, we have the 24-ounce Innovee Home Cocktail Bar Set. Do you want to awe your friends? Innovee Home will add an awesome surprise to the drinks you make at home. Make all the layered drinks you dream of with this cocktail set. It features a 24-ounce shaker that has uses as a Boston shaker, make several drinks and have the inbuilt strainer add a smooth finish to your drinks. Let the recipe ebook add the magic when you use it to prepare great cocktail by choosing from various liquors. With a robust design, this cocktail set is easy to handle and maintain. Moreover, it offers a money-back guarantee, hence you are assured of the finest quality. And finally at number 1, we have the SHIKSHOOK Professional Bar Cocktail Set. This fabulously priced cocktail set is what you need for at home or on travel. It comes in a lavish bag for efficiently carrying your bar essentials when camping or having a fun time on the beach. The mixer is gigantic, a 3-piece set 25 Oz up to 750 ml, a capacity jigger for perfect mojitos plus 2 pourers. You are sure to make delicious drinks using the 100 recipe ebook. Made of BPA-free material, it is dishwasher friendly and built to last a lifetime with its rust and leak-proof stainless steel. SHIKSHOOK cocktail set is truly gifted. You will notice a formidable improvement in the taste of your tequila, bourbon, rum brandy, etc. This cocktail shaker set is the perfect party barware so far. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.